Hello everyone, welcome to you my YouTube channel VB Automation Tutorial Point. If you are new on this channel, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video we will talk about the split function in an VBA, right? So without wasting my time, I just go to that point, right? So guys, a split function basically what? A split function is split the a string as per the given delimiter, right? So guys, we have a string, right, in a column A, right, and my requirement is that I want to split this data into a different column according to the spacing, right? Like that we have Rahul Singh, so I just want Rahul in a second column and Singh in third column. So I want this name is split as per the spacing, right? So how I'll do this? As writing a code with the help of split function. So for this I'm declaring a one variable type of SST as a worksheet, right? Now I'm setting this variable to the worksheet, that is, so here I'm given the sheet name where my input has exist. So my input is in sheet 4, right? So now guys, here I'm declaring a one more variable, that is row count, to find the how many rows we have filled in a data, row data, right? So I'm declaring a one variable, that is row count, as a long. So here I'm finding the total rows using this method a1 total. Guys, if you don't know about this method, so please see my previous videos, right? Dot row. So guys, I'm declaring a one more variable to storing the string, right? What we have got from the sheet 4. So for that I'm declaring a one variable type of variant. So what I'll do is I am applying a for loop to get the all rows from the row data one by one. So I'm just looping for I equal to 2 to row count. Now I'm storing the is just now I'm storing the string into the a variable, right? So here sst dot cells, what we have, that is we have just data in column 1 in A, and I want to split data with by using a space right here. So now I'm declaring a one more variable to find the maximum size of the array, then variant. So in B I found the maximum size of the array with the help of upper bound A. Guys, if you don't know the upper bound, so please refer my previous videos to learn about the upper bound and lower bound, right? So guys, now I'm applying another for loop to get the data from the array. So I'm looping start from 0 to B, right? So guys, you know very well that array start with the index 0, right? So now here I'm getting the data from array and storing into the Excel sheet in a sheet 4. right? So sst dot cells, I'm taking a one more variable, that is t, and column index is what? K plus 2. Start from the second column, right? And here I'm passing the AK, right? And here what I'll do is I'll do next, and now I'm increment the t equal to t plus 1, and also the second loop, that is this one. And guys, and what I'll do is assign just initialize the t variable from 2 here, right? I'm also initialize the t variable as an integer, right? So guys, now in this part just what I'll do is I'll get the data from the Excel and split that data with the help of a split function and store into the array in A, right? And in this part I have retrieved the data from the array and insert the data into the Excel sheet, right? So now I'm going to execute this part. Sorry, it is not this part. I'm executing this code by clicking on this. Code has been executed. Now you can see the output here, right? All names are split into the different column as per the spacing, right guys? So guys, that's it for this video. If you have any concern, any queries in array or in anything, just write your comment in the comment box. I'll get back to you on that. So guys, thank you, thanks for the